pack of fish and rice and salt. Now imagine walking across a desert for 30 days. When you finally open the barrel, the fish is better than when it was fresh. Sounds impossible, right? But long ago, Japanese samurai soldiers really used this food. Most ancient armies had a big problem. They needed food delivered to them. Grain, meat, supplies. If the supply line broke, the army could starve. But samurai soldiers were different. They carried their own food. A special food. It was called narazushi. Fermented fish. The process started in villages near the sea. Fresh fish was cleaned right away. Usually carp or mackerel. Then the fish was packed into wooden barrels with cooked rice and salt. The amount had to be exact. 10 parts rice-un, part fish, half a part salt. Then the barrel was sealed and left for weeks. Inside the barrel, something amazing happened. Bacteria began to work. The rice fed lactic acid bacteria. These bacteria made acid. The acid protected the fish. The salt helped control the microbes. Good bacteria lived. Dangerous bacteria died. Slowly, the fish changed. After the first fermentation, the fish was taken out. The rice had turned into a sour paste. Samurai soldiers carried both. Fish for protein, rice for energy. And something interesting happened. The fermentation continued during the march. The longer the journey, the better the food became. Proteins slowly broke down. They turned into amino acids. The flavor became stronger. The fish was also easier to digest. By the time the army reached the battlefield, the fish was perfectly aged, rich, flavor, deep umami taste, and very nutritious. This gave samurai armies a huge advantage. European armies depended on supply wagons. If those supplies were cut off, the soldiers could starve. But samurai soldiers carried food for over a month. They moved fast, they stayed strong, and they were very hard to starve. Fermentation also increased vitamin B12. This helped prevent diseases common in rice diets. So this was not just preserved food, it was smart survival nutrition. Modern sushi actually started from this idea. At first, people only ate the fermented fish. The rice was thrown away. Later, people started eating the rice too. Over time, the fermentation step disappeared. And that is how we got modern sushi. But traditional fermented sushi still exists in rural Japan. Some types are aged 4 years. They have a strong smell and a texture like cheese. But they are extremely nutritious. Full of protein, full of probiotics, full of vitamins. Centuries before modern military rations, Japanese soldiers created a survival food using only 3 ingredients: rice, salt, and bacteria. And somehow, it made food that gets better the longer you travel.